In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Memoji as a profile picture on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down until you find Messages, get into it. Here you can easily find Share Name and Photo feature, just hit on that and then tap on Choose Name and Photo. And now you can choose your photo to share. You can select Memoji or you can select your profile picture or that type of photo. I'll pick Memoji and hit on Continue. Now on that step I have to choose background. Then I'll hit Add Continue, and now it asks me if I want to use this photo everywhere. That means at my Apple ID and my card in Contacts. I'll hit Add Use. And on that step I can set up name and photo sharing. I can tap right here and edit that text as I normally do. And also here I can change share automatically option from contacts only to always ask. I'll keep it contacts only and hit on done. Now I can go back here to settings, move on to the very top. Let me close settings and open it up again. And as you can see, Memoji has just been set as my profile picture. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.